this video I'm going to be showing you through something I've been using on the new Hybrid Reverb device. One of the first things I noticed when I loaded up the new Reverb was that the pre-delay could be switched from true time to synced time. I've always liked using pre-delay, especially on things like snare and percussion sounds, to create like a more rhythmic reverb tail. So let's have a listen to dialing in some pre-delay on the reverb. I've got the reverb sitting on the snare sound of this basic drum pattern. It's turned off, I'll turn it on, I'll dial in some pre-delay and we'll hear it in action. So turning the reverb on, normal reverb sound, and switching the pre-delay to a synced rate, and increasing to say 1/16 or 2. And then increasing the feedback. So right now it's kind of sounding like a standard delay device, I guess, but it starts to get more interesting when we start to experiment with the other settings within the reverb. Maybe change the IR. Different delay times.